What is up, guys? MACABESPEED coming at ya. Quick little episode today showcasing my very favorite ammunition for the 25 caliber Blitz that I have found in a year's worth of research and development. Honestly, finding the right pellet that your rifle likes is a road that can sometimes seem absolutely never ending. But when you really stumble across something that works, the gratification therein is absolutely unmatched. That's right, guys. Honestly, as surprising as it sounds, the most basic ammunition that Benjamin spits out in 25 caliber turned out in this specific platform to be the most effective. I'm gonna go ahead and start things out and show you guys what I mean with a 25-yard group. Then push it back to 50, combat this wind, and see how we do. Let's get right into it. The wind is really significant, guys. Typically at 25 yards, these are some same hole pellets. I'm pretty happy with what we were able to generate, even despite the breezy day. Let's push it right out to 50 yards and see what happens. Alright boys, I'm a little bit out of breath from that down and back, 50 yards out, 50 yards back for 100 yards total ran. I know it seems counterintuitive, but I do like putting myself under that type of a condition just so that I can simulate shooting under duress. I think it gives a false impression of how quote-unquote easy something is when all the conditions are perfect in a bench rest type environment where you can control every single variable. When you start to add these extra levels of difficulty, it really does fine-tune your skill set, guys. Let's get right into it at 50 yards. It's interesting, as soon as the wind picks up, it starts to go over to the right. We've seen this before in different videos where the 30 caliber bucks the wind much better than the 25, even at a 50-yard distance. Wind dies off. Perfect. I feel like we've done well enough to go ahead and stretch it out another 25 or so yards, guys. Let's get right into this. I kind of lost the piece of the puzzle that holds my target stand up in the correct position. I'm gonna go ahead and march it out here to where it's convenient for me, which is probably about 85 yards. That's why we're going a little bit further than 75, because this stump is going to be a perfect placeholder. I need all the zoom, I'm old. In the dirt, raising point of aim, 3 mil dots. Same spot, oh my god, amazing. I'm telling you guys, if you focus on the fundamentals, you can form a really tight group with these Benjamin domes. I am by far not the best shooter in the entire world. So if I can generate this at this distance in these conditions, then definitely someone with a more superior skill set could probably do quite well. Can't see where every single impact is, guys, but it sure looks good. I think this is going to turn out to be a decent group for a pellet picky rifle like the 25 cal Blitz. Totally happy with this. And that's the end of the magazine, gentlemen. Alright, gentlemen, if you're a fan of the channel and subscribed, you probably see that this is a much tighter group at these longer distances of 75 plus yards than we have been able to lay down with the Hatsan Blitz in previous testings. I know that 75 yards isn't the longest distance in the world, but by the same token, when you get something that's just so unwilling to eat off-the-shelf ammunition, it might as well be the moon trying to get out to 75 yards. Now that we've really kind of identified that these Benjamin domes seem to work, I think that just practice and upgrading this old, weathered, and somewhat honestly broken center point optic could garner some better results. I think it's gonna be a great place to end today's episode, guys, but if you like today's episode, give it a thumbs up. You want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe for more with that notifications button so you can stay current on the channel as well as when new videos come out. If you really like this video, make sure you share it so somebody else can see it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.